3, 2, 1.
Sideways and like sewed it up on the arm. Might as well just leave it there. Might as well just leave it there. Yeah.
Helitrol 39.6.
We got 3 heats. Well, I meant how many?
1 minute left.
I mean, you told him 5. I told him 5.
Last place
I mean, it's almost
58.2.
noon now, so we're on round 3. So you might run next round, and then do. That'll probably take about 3 or 4.
Mickey Ben 113.8.
That way you can make a mistake and have to podium first.
Helitrol 42.1.
As long as they don't scope in the blue, pretty much guaranteed a podium. Nope, never mind. Dipple's just kicked me out of the lead. He kicked all of us out of the lead. He's only a couple seconds behind. Yeah, well, he should have been. I expected.
Last place 44.78. 7, 6, 5, 4,
I mean, I think I'm capable
3,
of a little bit faster.
2,
Not much.
1.
Oh, you said a couple seconds.
Helitrol 40.2. Helitrol done.
You said a couple of seconds. I was expecting to be like 2 or 3 seconds. Before that, it was most person was 14 seconds behind me. No, those are showing 11.
Last place 58.9. Last place done.
My number though, so this is fine. This is gonna take over 10. Well, no, I'm gonna keep. He's gonna leave in the lead.
All right, heat number 1. You guys are on the start blocks. Heat number 1.